Hello, everybody. I'm Chemical Charlie,
And this is Pagay Pepin.
and today we're going to discuss using Excel to find limits, and we're going to use this function here, f of x equals x minus 1 divided by x to the n minus 1. And we want to find the limit at x equal 1. So we want to consider this function at x equal 1. Well, when x is 1, this function is 0 over 0, which means it's undefined. But it does have a limit as x approaches 1.
So we will put the n, the n value
in
right
that
here
box, all right?
in this box.
I'm going to put a 1 to start with. Okay, so my x values, I'm going to create an array of x values from 0 to 2. So I start
And
with
we're
0.
going to put them in very small increments.
So 0.01 will
for
be the
accuracy.
second one, all right? You could do 0.001 if you want it, all right? So
that would make it more accurate.
All right, now I'm going to put the function in, all right? Okay, so equals the value of x minus 1 divided by x, but I want to put it to the n power. Now I want it to always refer to this cell, which is B2, all right?
So using F4, it will add dollar signs, which means that it will always refer to that specific cell.
That's right, yeah, minus 1. And copying it down, you can either do this, or you can do this, okay? All right, now we want to make a graph. Okay, so we got the function in there. Now, let's hunt down for the limit, all right? Let's go down to 1. Now, you notice when I have 1, it says division by 0. And the value before that is 1, and the value after. So this won't always be the case that they're exactly the same, but they'll be pretty close. So I want to get the average of the value before, so equals the value before plus the average value after. So we're looking at how it approaches it from both sides and taking the average of those two. So the limit is in C108, C108, and it's 1, all right? So there's our graph. This is a straight line of y equals 1, actually, all right? F of x is always 1, but there's a hole in the graph, all right, at 1, all right?
And Excel shows this value as a 0.
Yeah.
It is not.
It's not a 0. It's undefined.
It's undefined.
Okay, but Excel, whenever you have division by 0, will give you a 0. So let's go to 2. Okay, it's no longer a straight line, all right? But you can see it still has a gap at 1, right? But as we approach 1, it looks like it's fine. It's about 0.5, all right?
And the limit is 0.500013.
Okay, so let's
this
put
is
1
about
in.
1/2. It would be.
So let's put different values of n in the limit.
It would be more accurate if we use smaller intervals.
All right, so this one, look, this is 3, right? And it's about 0.333, right? Which is about a third. Let's try 4. Now look, it's about 0.25, right? We'll try 5, 0.2.
1/5.
Okay, let's try 6. We have the gap, but it's approaching 0.16.
1/6.
Okay, let's go to 7. And we get 0.1429. Let's find the reciprocals, all right? 1 over n. And copy it down. All right, so you can see it agrees, all right? It seems like the limit is 1 over n. So if we took the limit times n, we should get 1. I wonder if we can get better results. That's 0.9999, all right? And the value right after, 1.000. So now we're making them closer. Let's go to 8. Go to 9. Okay, and again, it's staying at 1, right? Maybe if we put more figures, it wouldn't be exactly 1. But this function here, the limit is 1 over n.
We have our own YouTube channels.
Yeah, but this is one we're kind of combining.
We'll leave a link in the description
to both
of our YouTube channels.
So thank you for your attention.
And we'll see you next time.
Thank you.